Hey everyone! If your jeans are a bit too long and you don't want to cut that perfect original hem, I've got the perfect trick for you. This hand sewing method is super easy, no machine needed, and it looks totally professional. Let's get started. First, decide exactly how much you need to shorten your jeans. Use a measuring tape to measure how much length you want to remove. Mark the new hemline clearly with chalk. Where are you from? Drop a comment below and let me know if you have this same problem with long jeans. Now we're going to create some gathering stitches. Take a strong thread and a needle. Start sewing vertical running stitches along the leg, just above where the new hem will sit. Go up and down in a straight line, catching the excess fabric inside. Keep your stitches even and don't pull tight yet. We'll do that later. Work your way all around the leg. Pro tip, for thicker denim, do it in sections so it's easier to manage. How's it looking so far? If you're trying this at home, pause and catch up. Once you've gone all the way around, gently pull the thread from one end. Continue repeating the same stitching all the way around the entire leg until you complete one full round of the pant leg. Watch this magic happen, and adjust it evenly so everything lies nice and flat. Beautiful, right? Now, knot the thread securely on the inside. Give it a good press with the iron to flatten everything. Once you're happy with the length, secure the fold by hiding the thread on the inside. Use a visible ladder stitch to gently stitch the folded excess fabric to the inside of the leg. This way, all the stitches stay completely hidden and the hem stays securely in place. Take small, even stitches, catching just a little bit of fabric each time, so nothing shows on the outside. Work your way around until the new hem feels nice and sturdy. If you liked this easy trick, hit that like button, subscribe, or follow for more simple sewing hacks. Drop a comment and tell me where you're from, and tag me in your before and after photos. I'd love to see your results. Your jeans now have that perfect factory finished look with the original hem intact. No more rolling up the cuffs or tripping over long pants. Thanks for watching and happy sewing! See you in the next one!